Hey guys, for today's set I'm going to be using dual forms and it's going to be a cute Hello Kitty set. I'm starting off by putting rubbing alcohol on my nails so that they dry out, get rid of any oils. I already prepped my nails beforehand so I didn't have much to do, and I'm putting on a base coat. For the first nail, I'm going to be going in with some Macart clear polygel and some of this glitter. I think I got it from Walmart or something. I'm using this brush to smooth out the polygel just because my other brush is not having it. Today's set is going to be shorter than usual. I put the polygel in the thing. You gotta make sure you smooth it all over the sides, the bottom, and then put up to however long you want it. The way I'm encapsulating the glitter is different than how you would usually do it, just because I wanted this to go quick and easy. So I just put the gel in and then place the glitter in. I have another video where I show how to properly encapsulate glitter. It's way better, and I'll leave a card now and I'll put on the screen the times of that video if you're interested in watching it. You really don't have to. I'm smoothing the polygel over the glitter. You can see right here that the glitter moves when I put the nail on, which is why I recommend doing the other method from a different video, but it's okay. I didn't really mind because I was going to cover that little spot with the sticker anyway. Make sure you smooth underneath as well as cleaning up the sides of the nail so you don't cure it onto your finger. Now I'm using this pink jelly for the next nail. I'm not putting any glitter into this one, so it's just basically smoothing it out and then putting it onto my nail. I ended up only putting a little bit of gel, so the nail was kind of thin, but I think it's still pretty durable now that I have them on. Just be cautious of how thick or thin you make it, because they might break if you make it too thin. Now I'm going to be filing. I usually don't keep in the filing process in my videos, but I just wanted to show you what I do. Since I did use dual forms, I am going underneath the nail and filing that out to make it more smooth. Obviously, you don't have to do this if you smooth it out like good enough. It's just I don't take enough time to actually smooth it while I'm putting it on. And sorry for my hair being in the way. I was just way too close because I didn't want to hurt myself. Now I'm shaping the nails. Listen, it was so tempting to do coffin shape. I've always gone with coffin for every single nail design. I did like a rounded edge, but I think it turned out really cute and I'm actually really happy with the shape. I didn't like it at first because it was just weird, but I think the shape is so simple and like cute and it like really worked for this set. Now I'm going to be filing around the cuticle area in case I had any spillage and to just kind of blend it in with my natural nail. Here's what they look like after I buff out the surface, and I'm going in with hollow powder. I'm putting the hollow powder on all the pink nails. Basically what I do is I put a top coat on and I cure it for about like 20 seconds. You can cure it for a full minute, but I use a no wipe top coat. Here's my glitter top coat. It's a normal top coat, but I use it only when I'm using glitter, just in case it like rubs off and gets into the top coat. It's always good to have a separate top coat because you don't want all that glitter in there. Here's all the nails with all the hollow on it, and I'm going in with these Hello Kitty stickers next. I was going to try and do nail art, did not work out, so you'll see in the next clip my paper is like trashed with different gel, but I'm basically putting on a top coat and then that's it. Right here I'm putting it underneath the nails as well because they are like a clear and jelly shade, and it just makes everything look smoother and more clear. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This set is so cute. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment if you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.